How much can I get from an uninsured motorist claim? Being involved in an accident with an uninsured driver can be stressful, especially when it comes to securing compensation for your injuries and damages. In New York, an uninsured motorist claim can provide a pathway to recovering these losses. Understanding how much you can get from a claim depends on several factors, including coverage limits, liability, and the severity of your injuries. Legal provisions of uninsured motorist claims in New York. New York operates under a no-fault insurance system. This means that after an accident, your own insurance covers your losses, regardless of fault. However, if the other driver is uninsured, you may need to rely on your uninsured motorist coverage. New York's insurance law Section 3420, F1, requires that all auto insurance policies provide coverage, ensuring that accident victims have a financial safety net when an uninsured driver is at fault. Uninsured motorist coverage steps in to protect you from the financial consequences of an accident caused by a driver who lacks insurance. This type of insurance covers the gap left by an uninsured driver's inability to pay for damages or injuries. It's crucial to understand that coverage is required for bodily injuries but not for property damage. This coverage ensures that you and your passengers receive compensation for medical costs, lost wages, and other damages, even if the other driver is uninsured. How much can you receive from a claim? Several key factors influence the amount you can claim through an uninsured motorist claim in New York. These include policy limits. Your coverage limit is a major factor in determining the compensation you can receive. The minimum coverage in New York is $25,000 per person for bodily injury, but you can opt for higher limits. If your damages exceed the uninsured driver's ability to pay, your coverage may cover the difference up to your policy's limit. Liability. New York follows a comparative fault system. If you're partially at fault for the accident, your compensation may be reduced by your percentage of fault. For example, if you're 20% at fault, your compensation will be reduced by that amount. Severity of injuries. The extent of your injuries significantly impacts the compensation you can receive. Serious injuries requiring long-term medical care or resulting in permanent disability will likely result in higher payouts. Documenting your medical expenses thoroughly is crucial for maximizing your claim. What is the process of filing a claim? Filing a claim for uninsured motorist coverage follows a specific process. It's essential to notify your insurance company as soon as possible, usually within 30 days of the accident. The claim process typically involves gathering essential documentation such as the police report, witness statements, medical records, and any photographic evidence of the accident. Once all the necessary documentation is submitted, your insurer will evaluate the claim. If the insurance company denies your claim, you may need to consult a lawyer to explore options like filing an appeal or pursuing legal action. An experienced attorney can help you navigate this process, ensuring you meet all the required steps and deadlines. Factors that affect compensation when pursuing an uninsured motorist claim. It's essential to be aware of the factors that can influence your compensation. Insurance policy terms. Each policy has specific terms that outline how and when you can file a claim. Understanding these terms is crucial, as failing to follow them may result in claim denial. Medical expenses and documentation. Your compensation will be heavily influenced by the extent of your medical expenses and how well they are documented. Detailed records of your treatments and medical evaluations help to substantiate the severity of your injuries. Time limitations. Timely filing is important. If you fail to notify your insurance company within the designated time frame or submit the necessary documentation, your claim could be denied. Seeking guidance from legal professionals facing the aftermath of an accident involving an uninsured motorist can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to navigating the legal and insurance processes. A lawyer experienced in New York's insurance laws can provide invaluable assistance. They can help gather evidence, accurately calculate damages, and represent you during negotiations or in court if needed. At L Sanchez Law Firm, we have a team of dedicated attorneys ready to assist you with your uninsured motorist claim. We understand the complexities of New York's insurance system and will work with you every step of the way to ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. If you or a loved one has been injured by an uninsured driver, don't wait. Contact L Sanchez Law Firm today at 646-701-7990 or visit our office at 3763 83rd Street #1 meter, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372 to schedule a consultation. Let us help you protect your rights and secure the compensation you need for a full recovery.